Welcome to Hawkridge Distillery. My name is James, I'm one of 3 owners here.
And my name is Phil, and we are delighted that this month we are the chosen distillery for Gin of the Month. So our distillery is based in Compton. It's a village in West Berkshire in an area of outstanding natural beauty. And we take a lot of inspiration from our surroundings, both in terms of the stories behind our gins and also the botanicals that we use in the gins. So this month's gin is the Victorian Aphrodisiac blend gin, and we've based the recipe on the amazing Hawkridge London Dry Victorian botanical blend, which we launched last year. We've evolved it to evoke the love and the passion of Victorian lovers to really celebrate Valentine's month this year. So we've been designing the bottle for this variant for over 3 years. It's a custom bottle with a custom stopper, and it's all designed around the Victorian era. So is this still ethyl on which the journey of your gin begins? So all the test distillations we run on ethyl until we've got the perfect flavour. So it was our aim to retain the balance of the beautiful herbaceous Victorian herb garden gin, but combine it with a botanical charge that's more fragrant, floral, that evokes the aromas that celebrate the love of Valentine's. We love using rose in our distillations. It comes through as an amazing botanical when it's used both in the pot or in the basket. We use lavender too in the first stage of our flavour development, where we make a botanical tea that we strain prior to distillation. And we also add a delicate charge of jasmine to this variety and some of our very own local honey, which is produced by James's Bees. So once we've perfected the recipe on the test still, we then scale up to Alfred, our large still, and Alfred makes a beautifully smooth gin. What tastes good on the test still will always taste magnificent on Alfred, and we hope you find that in your gin. We've worked for many years in bringing this gin to you, and we really hope you enjoy it. We'd love to hear what you think of it, and whatever you are up to this Valentine's Day, we hope it's full of love, passion, hugs, kisses, but most of all, gin!